So let's go ahead and decompose cooking food. So I'm going to right click on this, and you'll see one of our choices here is create diagram. And we have a variety. Be careful that you don't pick one of these general purpose UML diagrams. You want to pick one of the SysML diagrams. And if we look at the bottom here, we can decompose a use case with more use cases. I typically don't do that. My most common choice will be an activity diagram, though you could do a state machine or a sequence diagram if you so chose. So we're going to go ahead and break this down as an activity diagram for cooking food. Now I want you to understand what Magic Draw has done here, because we see an activity diagram here in our canvas. I'm going to right click and select this in the containment tree, and notice what's happened. It's taken the cooking food use case, it's created an activity called cooking food. That's what this little symbol with the rectangle with the pins on it means, and it's created an activity diagram owned by the activity. So with one mouse click, it's created both the activity and the diagram, and they're both owned by the cooking food use case. And so if we come into the specification window for cooking food, you'll see that under behaviors, this is the classifier behavior. This is the behavior that decomposes cooking food. And so if we back up a level here with the back arrow, you'll see that cooking food now has this rake that shows us that it can be decomposed. It has been decomposed further, and if we double click it, it will drill us down into this activity diagram. So as a rule of thumb, activity diagrams should start with an initial node, and they should end with a final node. So it should be clear how you enter it and how you exit it. So keep that in mind, that we should have those two nodes on every diagram, and you can name them and put commentary on if you so chose.